Welcome to the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Green University of Bangladesh. Our department emphasizes excellence in practical application, fostering creativity, critical thinking, and real-life problem-based learning.
Our faculty members have expertise in technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science, and global technological trends. This enriches our students' practical knowledge, skills, learning experience, prepare them for a successful future.
At Green University of Bangladesh, we are really lucky to study in a campus that's so beautiful and filled with greenery. This greenery really motivates us to focus on our studies, get more recreational, and even helps us relax after long classes. With its eco-friendly buildings and green, luscious environment, this campus is not only a place to study, it's also a place that helps us grow, explore, and enjoy student life to the fullest.
In our department, we have a world-class computational lab to turn ideas into reality. We also enjoy 21+ clubs like robotics, programming, cultural, language, gaming, etc. united under our central club, Genesis. Here we get to represent our department, exploring our passions and go beyond the classroom.
At Green University, students gain a global edge through our international partnership. Beyond the classroom, students engage strictly in projects and internships through our network of prestigious organizations, giving us a real-world experience and head start in our career.
So why just use technology when you can create it? Step into the world of artificial intelligence and data science at Green University, where the future is yours to build. This is your opportunity to innovate, explore, and lead the next wave of change.